Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be installing and trying out Ubuntu 10.04.4 LTS. So first, I'm going to create the VM and I'm going to name it Ubuntu 10.04.4 LTS. I'm going to select the ISO image, which is Ubuntu 10.4.4, this one. Then I'm going to press next, and I think that's fine. And I think that's fine. Okay. Then I'm going to start the VM. First, I'm going to install the Ubuntu. It's about similar to the latest Ubuntu, but the UI is a little bit different. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I will click on install. Now I'm going to pause the recording because I don't want to make you bored. So the installation is now complete and I will restart the virtual machine. Wait, what? I think there's a problem. Oh, there you go. I thought the VM totally broke. And now I'm going to enter the password. So first, I'm going to change the screen resolution, but I have no idea how to do that. Oh, actually, fun fact, this is actually my first time trying Ubuntu 10. That's why I didn't know where it is. Next, I'm going to try the accessories. My calculator. This is actually the full screen. I have no idea why the calculator is so giant. Why it has giant buttons, I have no idea. This is the minimize. This is the close. For the games, we have I'll Riot Solitaire, I think. Brainy, Mahjong, Mines, Quadra Puzzle, and Sudoku. I'm sorry if I read it wrong because I never read some of the games. For the internet, we have Empathy IM Client, Firefox Web Browser, GWIBBER, I have no idea how to read that actually, Social Client, Remote desktop viewer, terminal service client, transmission BitTorrent client. For the Office apps, we have dictionary, evolution mail and calendar, OpenOffice.org presentation, OpenOffice.org spreadsheet, and OpenOffice.org word processor. For the sound and video, we have Brasero disk burner, movie player, PITIVI video editor, rhythm box, music player, and sound recorder. For the first and third one, I'm sorry if I read it wrong also, because I never know all that programs. And for the accessories, we have calculator, CD or DVD creator, character map, disk usage analyzer, gedit text editor, manage print jobs, password and encryption keys, search for files, take screenshot, terminal, and Tomboy notes. I'm going to try out Firefox and see which version this is. Oh my goodness, the Ubuntu homepage is also broken because of the web browser. Firefox version, I think it's 10.0.1. I think I know why it broke the website. I think because of the version. It's too old to run it. I'll try. What is my browser? I think I broke Firefox. Yep, I broke the system. Since Firefox is broken, I'm going to try google.com, and I'm going to try youtube.com. So I think I'm going to just move to another one. I think it's still broken. I'll have to restart it again. So because Firefox is broken, I'm going to try Ubuntu Software Center just in case if anything we can download like for the web browser. Like this one. I have no idea what this is, but I'm going to try this one. I think we cannot even download anything. So because of that, I'm going to try out OpenOffice.org writer. Is it also broken? I don't think it is. Hello world. Then I'm going to try to update the system, although I'm not sure if it works or not. And the update manager also broke. I pressed the wrong button. I'll try out the themes. If there is actually. Because I don't know if there is. Is it? Oh, there you go. The theme. Let's try this one. It's the difference actually. Oh, it's like more 3D. Oh, and the buttons. I just realized that. Why does this look like Mac OS? I'll try opening something. Yeah, I think it does look like Mac OS with the dust sand theme. The new wave is, I think the new wave theme looks like, I'm not really sure actually. This one looks like the Ubuntu, the default theme but bright mode. Oh, what about the pointer actually? I think I'm going to try installing themes. Oh, I thought it was like a web page. Okay. It also doesn't work. I think this version of Ubuntu is like the internet doesn't even work at all. What about like the games maybe? Mines. I never tried this game. What is dictionary? Like, it actually works. I thought it's not going to work. Does the audio work? How do I test audio? Hi. I cannot find my... Is it this one? I have no idea how to use Ubuntu 10.04.4. So I think that's it for today. Unfortunately, we cannot do a lot of things in Ubuntu 10.04.4, probably because of it being so outdated. If I'm not wrong, it was released in 2012 actually. So I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.